Hello everyone and welcome back to Decor Art channel. In this video we bring you a collection of modern gates design ideas. Please like this video, comment with your opinion, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and here we go. You can call a building your home, only when it offers a feeling of security and comfort. It is a private space that is designed exclusively for your family and must have no access to the outsiders. However, how do you restrict the entries and call it your own? With a compound wall, secured with a sturdy gate design, of course. Now that you have built your dream house, it is time to think of the most important aspects: security and privacy. You simply cannot compromise on these factors and must invest on a rock-solid entrance gate designs. Not only does the main gate keep intruders away from your private area, but also increases the overall value of the property. Gates are necessary for any type of property. Apart from keeping out unwanted entries, they also offer many functions. From guarding your home against intruders to braving the odds of weather changes, gateways are the best bet to stay safe inside. What is gate? A gate is an entry point to any closed area, which also acts as a barrier to the external world. It can give you better control of who to allow and who to restrict into the zone. In general terms, it is more like a door, but for exteriors. What is the importance of gate in a house? Besides providing access in or out of a home, gates also offer numerous benefits, listed below. Safekeeping. With the rising number of thefts in the neighborhood, you simply cannot take chances with the safety of your family. Having a proper gate can lower the chances of break-ins and crimes. Marks your property. A fence gate marks the starting point of your territory, and prevents strangers and animals from straying into your place. Privacy. You need not compromise on the private time with your family if you have an external gate installed. Keeping it closed can cut down the direct views of the onlookers. Increases property value. Yes, that is true. A property secured with a gate looks more expensive and valuable to potential buyers. Enhances visual appeal. The exteriors of your home can be beautified with a beautiful design of gate that can harmoniously blend with the rest of the theme. What are the different types of gates? Depending on the purpose, budget and expectations from a gate, there are numerous varieties available in the market. Each of them is typically made with different materials like wood, steel, aluminum, iron, PVC, etc., which has its own pros and cons. Here are the basic types of gate operating models with their features. Swing gates. As the name suggests, these door-like gates operate in a swing fashion, with the help of hinges secured to a wall. They are optimal for areas with wide open spaces and come with single or double doors. Sliding gates. For homes with space constraints, sliding gates work like a charm, as they move horizontally on a bottom track. They glide using a pair of wheels and come in different styles. Folding gates. They are ideal for entrances with the uneven ground surface and a subcategory of sliding gates. These are made with a set of doors attached and folded into each other. Automated gates. They are advanced gates, which reduce manual intervention. By installing sensors and motors on any of these models, you can get them to open or close on their own. How to choose the perfect gate for your home. Now that you have learned the basics of gates, let us understand some important tips to help you choose the right pick for your money. First, analyze the structure of your home and ask yourself what you are looking from a gate. Is it privacy, looks, security, or everything? Once you understand the expectations of your buyer, you can easily transform your ideas into reality. Also, figure out your budget beforehand, so you know how much to spend. Now, choose a material that works for your requirements. Wooden gates are quite classy but are prone to damage. Metal gates are sturdy and go a long way. However, they may succumb to the climatic conditions. So, outweigh the positives and negatives of each before you narrow down to one material. Then comes the decision of operating style of the gate. If you have a large entrance, a swing gate works well, but for congested spots, sliders are great. Design is as important as the rest of the elements. Instead of going for an old-school pattern, experiment with different designs and keep it aligned with the rest of the home. At the end of this topic, please like this video, comment with your opinion, and subscribe for more decoration ideas.